What's up, guys? I'm Adrian from adoriani.com. I hope you are doing great. And today I'm going to speak about how to clean up your vocal tracks. So here I am in Pro Tools. I have the recording from the introduction of one of my courses. That is the course on how to produce a song for video. And as I said, this is the audio track. And I will try to clean it up as much as possible to be sure that there won't be any sounds that I don't need to have in the audio track. So if you are in Pro Tools, you have to be in the sleep mode. This is this allows you to move the samples wherever you want to. So let's listen a bit. Hi, my name is Adrian Milea, co-founder of Adoriani, and I welcome you to my course on how to produce a song for YouTube and other videos. Now, okay, so for the beginning, I usually do like a fade in, you know. So let's do this. Hi, my name is Adrian Milea. Hi, my name is Adrian Milea, co-founder of... Okay, that's better. So let's listen to any sound that we don't need or we don't like to have in our recording. Hi, my name is Adrian Milea, co-founder of Adoriani, and I welcome you to my course on how to produce a song for YouTube and other videos. So right here we have this sound. I think I don't need this, so I'm going to delete it. Now, so if you want to make it like more natural, you want to copy a bit of the room tone, like this right here sample, and copy it right here. Oops. Let's listen now. Other videos. Okay. Nowadays it's seamless now. Nowadays you can see videos. You won't notice that there was a my French is coming. So you won't notice that there was that sound that we don't need. Other videos. Nowadays you can see an explosion of video all over the internet. You can see them on YouTube. You can see them to take this out also a bit. Up. Right here. Let's listen. The internet. You can see them over the internet. Much better. You can see that. If you want to be more fancy, you can put this together like with Command F. So you are creating in like a crossfade between the samples. Okay. Let's listen now. Internet. You can see internet. Super. You can. Okay, let's continue. You can see them on YouTube, Facebook. Yeah. Facebook. So we're Control V. Oh, Command V. Sorry. So put this right here. Make it a bit more little. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Another sound that I don't need here. Okay. And other popular platforms. Okay. Right here, I don't need this. So I can copy this section here and put it right here. Maybe copy it one more time. Let's listen to the result.
Vlogs, reviews, vlogs.
Okay, there is like a click right here. I can copy this, put it right here. Let's see. Okay, that's better.
Vlogs, reviews, clips with animals and people, they all have one thing in common. They all need a song in the background. And here is where you come in, because you can produce a song for video, then you can share it with the ones in need for a price, of course. So in this course, we are going to talk about how to find an idea, how to produce it,
Right
how
here
to
there
mix
is
it.
another. We were going to delete it. Okay. Let's listen again.
Produce it, how to mix it, then produce it, how to mix it, then how to master it for the world distribution. So
remember, you can leave some of these sounds sometimes, because you are going to make the audio track like more natural. I think there is not a lot of people that can speak without any sounds that you don't like. So sometimes you can leave some sounds like this, you know,
so
to be more natural.
Distribution. So let's not waste time and get to work.
Okay, so this is done.
And get
I'm going to delete this section because I don't need this noise, and I'm going to make a fade out. Okay, like this. Let's listen.
To work. Get to work.
Okay, that's pretty nice for now. So let's listen once more to see if we missed something.
Hi, my name is Adrian Milea, co-founder of Adoriani, and I welcome you to my course on how to produce a song for YouTube and other videos. Nowadays you can see an explosion of video all over the internet. You can see them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and other popular platforms. Vlogs, reviews, clips with animals and people, they all have one thing in common. They all need a song in the background. And here is where you come in, because you can produce a song for video, then you can share it with the ones in need for a price, of course. So in this course, we are going to talk about how to find an idea, how to produce it, how to mix it, then how to master it for the world distribution. So let's not waste time and get to work.
Okay. This is a general idea on how to clean up your vocal tracks. So remember, if when you are listening to your recordings and something is bothering you, it's better to take it out. And in order to make it, like I said, more naturally, you can copy the room sound to the place where the sample you don't want to. So it will be more natural, like I said. So good luck with that. Did you hear that? I made just another sound that I can take out in the post-production. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me them and I will try to answer. Don't forget to subscribe, visit us at adoriani.com and stay cool and make great music.